Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Baldwin County in central Georgia, southwestern Putnam County in central Georgia, east central Monroe County in central Georgia, northern Jones County in central Georgia, southwestern Jasper County in central Georgia, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a tornado-producing storm was located over Plantation, Oregon, 11 miles east of Forsyth, northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar-confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Eatonton, Merriweather, East Ridge, Wayside, Demons Ferry, Risso's Crossroads, Round Oak, Warfield, Willard, Gerald Plantation, Flat Harley Branch, Hillsboro, Stanfordville, and Bloutsville. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.